just to show you my mug face that was on there. This is JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network, broadcasting live from eBay Open, where you can get your picture taken. And of course I had my ugly post taken on all 3 platforms, showing you how you would look for a headshot, which I just showed you, and how to set up lighting to show your different items that you have for sale.
I did the UFC crew came.
So that was nice. It's going to be jammed in 2 more seconds. I'll let you get another great look at my face. There's eBay shipping and labels. There's global shipping. A lot of this stuff, even though we've been selling on eBay for many years, I've never seen before. Yeah, no wonder. I wish I could have professional gear like this in my office. I do have it, but I usually almost always use it for the video that I'm doing. And actually, this is a smart idea. If you get a little light box, you can use even your iPhone camera if you want to, and it's a foldable light lit box that you can use.
That's so cool, isn't it?
Yep.
Look at that.
For small objects. Let's show another one. Using the digital camera. This one's just showing you that you can use a tripod, point and shoot camera, and just white background.
Be like up to 5:15. Okay, they change it. Yeah, once we hear over there, then we'll tell them.
Now you're gonna make us wait another half an hour, huh? Shame on you. And also, I wanted to show you this one. A studio light box, a little bit better. I like it better than the fold-up one. You get a little more things inside of it, different sizes. And again, I have my lighting. I have a lot of LED lighting, but mostly I use one of these in LED for when I'm shooting my live videos of my different programs that I shoot. And then you can never beat the U.S. Post Office. 6-bit, another shipping company.
You can populate information from the eBay tab, to the Etsy tab, and yeah, and it'll populate. Like I think pricing.
Yeah. Both the search there's a link for calculation.
Great.
Pitney Bowes. Been around forever and then some. In my 40 years in the technology business, Pitney Bowes. And for you real old, you remember dot matrix printers? So starting to fill up a little bit more. I think what we're going to do is we're going to pass it off and end it up here. I know it's going to get jammed in about 5 more minutes when they get let out of their individual sessions. But I wanted to show you the pop-ups. Throughout the day, what they've had is just different people popping up and jumping up there at all different times, showing you the different tips and tricks. Zoom out.
When I came to this week, I came via Ontario.
The balloon. And make sure you look for us. Sync Media Network, SYNC on YouTube. Like, follow, and share. I used to have one of these things but I could never get on it because the cat used it all the time. So that's it from here. We'll send it back to you in the studio, Eileen, and join us for all our videos. If you hit the little bell on YouTube, every time we go live for an event, we show you the latest and greatest products. You'll be notified so you can see it live before it even hits the newspapers. So we'll come back tomorrow, as usual, from another convention. Thanks for joining us. And we'll end off with something colorful for you to watch. Balloons. Let's just show you some more balloons. Back to you in the studio, Eileen. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Like, follow, share,